You're great at painting a room, but picking the right size of lumber and using a table saw are skills you've never mastered. Whether you're tackling an emergency fix, starting a new project, or even finally repairing something that you've been putting off, our McCoy's DIY Center articles will help get you started. We cover topics like lumberyard lingo to tips and techniques from the backyard to the attic, all in one place. From DIY projects with the kids, home emergency information, and project calculators, trust the pros at McCoy's to share the wisdom and knowledge we've learned since 1927. Have a hole in your wall that needs repairing? Use our drywall repair guide to fix anything from popped nails to large holes and damaged corners. You'll be ready to float, tape, or spackle in no time. If you're just starting out with power tools, our table saw tips for beginners and pros alike will help keep you safe, understand the parts that make up your new tool, and will get you on your way to making rip cuts and cross cuts in no time. Project coming up that includes PVC? Our popular 10 hacks for working with PVC is just what you need to get the job done smarter and faster. Whether you want to successfully complete a new project or have a home emergency, even at 2 a.m., our blogs are available to help. Don't have what you need? Buy online or pick up in store. Or, even better, have it delivered. Need to talk through your project? Drop by your local store and meet our friendly team members. So, the only question is, what are you ready to tackle? Go build something.